This is the most famous waterfall in the world, the Niagara Falls waterfall. So I'm here in Canada, and that on the other side, that is the USA, the United States of America. How crazy is that? So I was born and raised in Saudi Arabia, and when I came to Canada, I was only 18 years old. And when I first heard of Niagara Falls, I thought, maybe one day, if I'm lucky, if I have the time, if the stars magically aligned, I would be able to witness the great Niagara Falls. 10 days later, I saw Niagara Falls. And that is thanks to this man. He took me there. Meet Emilpa. We went from being total strangers to becoming housemates for about 2 years before he got married and moved out. So today, my friends and I are going back to see Niagara Falls with Emilpa. Outback Steakhouse. Oh wow. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been the most spectacular scenic view of my entire life. We decided to see the Niagara Falls up close.
Thank you.